Everyone, and welcome back to your channel Crypto Guy. In this video, Bitcoin is pumping very hard. Here you can see that we have a big pump, and if you go and see the Ethereum as well, Ethereum is pumping. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin at the moment, or there is still some chance to buy Bitcoin? So let's talk about this in this video. Okay, so let's start with a quick view from CoinMarketCap, and here you can see the market is pumping. Everything is green. Bitcoin is about 10% in 7 days. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin, or you still have chance to buy Bitcoin? If not, I think you should buy dollar cost average. If you go on my channel and see my latest video, what I have told you how to buy Bitcoin, buy dollar Bitcoin via dollar cost average. So this is the best way to buy Bitcoin. Otherwise the ship is going off and it's gonna be too late to buy a whole one Bitcoin. If you see the other Ethereum is also pumping, XRP is pumped like 10%, 15% in 7 days. I mean, all Litecoin, check the Litecoin is 23%. Everything is pumping. That's what happened whenever the Bitcoin pumps, altcoins are also pumping. So I told you that whenever a dip is the time to buy. Don't be afraid, don't be greedy, buy the dips and sell the tops. If you want to have a normal day trade, so just buy the dip and sell the top. And this is the thing, if you have bought in last 1 week, you can buy sell the away, you already have 7%. Same like Uniswap also, like if you have bought in 7 days, you already have on the top for 20%. So that's an insane amount. Let's go and have a quick view on Bitcoin US dollar 1 day chart. Here you can see that Bitcoin is pumping. In my last video, which I have talked to you about, that if Bitcoin correction or pump coming, and that's exactly what happened. Pump is here, there has not been correction. Everybody was expecting a correction, but Bitcoin again surprised everybody and is pumping to the moon. I told you that the next stop for Bitcoin is 17,000, and we are almost touching on 17,000, and we are very high on RSI. We can still go up it. I think we can easily go and touch 17,100, and from there we can go up it sideways, but in that case we have to be very careful. Let's go and have a quick view on 4-hour chart. You can see that we have a bounce here about 16,000. Since that, I told you in my last videos, in few my last video, that this will be a good point for re-entry for leverage trading. So if you have joined this one for a leverage trading, I think this will be a good one. Now this one, you have to wait until the Bitcoin will break 70,000 or 70,500. So if it breaks 7,100, then maybe we can jump in, or we can jump in again when there is a rebound. So rebounds will be 16,350, which is very possible. Keep an eye on that. Via RSI is touching high, it can go up a little bit more high, but at the end it will still come back down here. If we go and see some technical indicators, as you can see that oscillators are showing buy, summary is showing strong buy, and moving average is very strong buy. So it is bullish. Bullies are here, bears are defeated. And I told you that in my last video that you have to start buying Bitcoin by dollar cost average. If not, it's already been too late. You can still buy it. Let's go and check on 1 day hour chart. The 1 day hour chart, if we talk about a correction, it is supposed to come about 15,221, but I think we are going to 17,000, and from 17,000 the next stage will be 17,500. If you go and check the performance from 1 year, if you have bought Bitcoin in last 1 year, you have been up 113%. If you have bought Bitcoin in last 6 months, you have been up 83%. If you have bought in last 3 months, you have been up 57%. If you have bought in last 1 month, you already been up 23%. And in just last week, you have been up about 4%. That's how bullish is Bitcoin is. You just have to buy and keep holding. The Bitcoin is going to the moon. No one is going to stop it. US dollar are printing a lot, and this is the time to buy, accumulate, and stack Bitcoin. This is emergency video in which I am telling you guys to buy Bitcoin. Don't wait for the dip. Even if there's a dip, even there's a correction overhaul, you will be have in profit. Okay, so here we have Ethereum US dollar 1 day chart, And here if you can see that we have a very nice rebound from 20 weekly moving average, and now we are hovering about 466, which is very bullish for Ethereum as well. And if we have a pullback or correction, we can easily come until 439, but I don't think so. It looks like, because it's very bullish. MACD is also it's showing bullish sign. RSI, we still have a room to go up. Let's go and check on 4-hour chart what's happening over there. We have a nice rebound, and that was a nice re-entry point. Also for the leverage trading, here is also the same nice re-entry point as well. And if we can go up, definitely we can be looking for 475 and then 500 US dollar Ethereum. If we come down, we are looking to 460 first and then 454. So these are the levels we have to look in near future about bullish and bearish. If we go and see some oscillators, as you can see that this one is showing neutral at the moment, and summary and moving average is very bullish. So overall Ethereum is very bullish as well, but Bitcoin looks more bullish, and it's breaking all the records at the moment, and we are in 17,000. One more thing I'd like to tell you about, like once we have break the 17,000, from 17,000 to 20,000, we don't have so much resistance. It can be the price can go parabolic, and it can be some insane chaos. So I mean, we are very near, and we are going to the moon, and we are going to break the 20,000 mile as well. Okay, here are some news for crypto, and here you can see that the Origin protocol loses 7 million in latest DeFi attack. So always be careful about DeFi and everything, and you have to keep your funds safe, not your keys, not your coins. So you have to keep it safe. If we go and see more latest news, Bitcoin slashes through 17,000 as market cap near all-time high. Definitely the time to celebrate, relax, chill, have a cup of coffee and a beer and relax it, and enjoy that Bitcoin is slicing and your hodl has paid off. You have to keep hodling the Bitcoin. As DeFi grows, investors look to Polkadot to be the next Ethereum. I mean, Polkadot is a solid project, I told you guys, and I mean, if you want to buy, I mean, definitely Polkadot is giving you about 8% return in 1 week. I mean, that's insane, guys. So still keep an eye on that. And if we go here, that I already put like 17,000, and then there is a breakup. Few will understand this because Bitcoin is doing this now. We are up, and then we have going to insane about 20,000 anytime soon. I also have retweeted. If you like my, please like and share and follow me on Twitter as well. How other people are doing on Twitter. Let's see how are going to celebrate the next Bitcoin all-time high. I mean, crypto is saying 17,000. The moon is saying Bitcoin could snap 20,000 any day now. So this is the more bullish it has begun. I mean, that's going insane, and everybody is happy, and you just keep buying the Bitcoin. Don't see, I mean, if there's any dip, just buy the Bitcoin. That's the right thing to do. Even there's a dip, even there's a 30% correction, believe me, if you hold for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, it will pay you back off. Just buy, put it in the ledger, and forget about it. You will thanks to me in some few years. I think that's all. Keep liking and sharing my videos. I love you guys, and let me know what you want to hear from me in the next. And one more time, congratulations to everybody who is holding Bitcoin and our Bitcoin bulls. We are passing 17,000 here, and we are going to the moon, and 20,000 is the next step. So until that, take care, keep buying Bitcoin, be safe, and bye bye.